Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Air Power Center. Today we have a Garmin Edge 1030. This is a bike computer with a dead battery, and David will fix it for us. Let's go. So this is an old model of the Garmin Edge, and being in need of a new battery, this has been used for quite some time now. And this is a very durable device because when you're out biking, road riding, especially if you crash, your bike computer will most likely be detached from the mounting on your handlebars or your stem, and it can go flying off. And this one display is still in good condition, a bit of scratches here and there, but it's normal because it's a daily used item. With the battery dead, it has been used for quite some time. There's some damage on the trim on the sides, but the buttons, displays, everything is in good working order. No damage in the internal components, no water damage, although this is a waterproof device. And we'll revive this. It's quite expensive, to be honest, and a very capable device. You have GPS antennas, you have maps in the memory. You can have also ANT+ connections, Bluetooth to your heart rate monitor, speed sensor, cadence sensor. So this is like a smartphone, but in different way that we see smartphones. This is like a scaled down smartphone. So it runs Garmin's own operating system, of course. So as we open this, you remove the display, just one connector, put that to the side, and then remove some screws for the main board. You see the battery, half of the area is covered by the battery. We'll remove some screws, and then we'll remove the battery from the top. And there's a connector, main connector inside. We'll detach that as well. It's a very robust connection. So there's two main boards that are connected with this connector, and then the battery is connected in this connector right here. It's quite tight. So there's red, green, and black. This is definitely the battery. And there you go. So the main board is removed. Battery is still inside. Next, we'll remove the battery. There you go. Voila. So the battery is definitely cooked. Whenever we turn on the unit, it shuts down, doesn't charge, of course. So a battery replacement is the most reasonable recommendation for this device. So we'll just plug this in. It's quite loose, to be honest, here. So when we try to position the battery first, because the battery goes in first, we'll put it in a different orientation because the cable or the wires are longer compared to the stock one. And the main board, of course, and you see that just detaches itself. So yeah, we'll have to find a solution for here. So you can install it securely, but you can't really force it in because it will just pop right out. So in comes our Kapton tape. Tape that in there. If you need to tape some internal components, micro components, Kapton tape is the way to go. It's heat resistant, it protects the connectors from heat. Although this is a very low power device. Yeah. Let's make it secure as we reassemble everything. And then we position the main board. We have our next challenge, which is that main connector between the two boards. So first we'll clean that up just to make sure there's no dust interfering with the components. So just making sure everything goes well. Next we will reposition the main board. We are still putting pressure on the battery connector. It doesn't pop out even with the Kapton tape installed. It's quite hard, it's quite robust connection, so there you go. It's quite some time. Then we're done. There you go. Just press it in, hold it, bring in the screws, put that on the side here, still holding the main board, doesn't pop out. There you go. I think 5 screws will be enough. And the last one. Yeah, so I think the Garmin is not really our bread and butter here in the repair center, but we have fixed a Garmin watch before for running. I think this one is for cycling. So if you have a Garmin, GoPro, or any device that needs a battery or a display, we can source parts for you. Not guaranteed, but we can help you out. And we'll find solutions to install the components that you need. So this one will have a Kapton tape. I think the battery doesn't have its own adhesive, but it's good. Kapton tape is still rated for electronics, so it's gonna be more secure. And with the display already on top, it's gonna be a-okay with the new battery. Turn this on, and there you go. It has not been turned on for quite some time. You have 57% battery, and there was a pending activity. We'll just discard that ride. Now it's ready for another biking adventure. We'll put some liquid adhesive around the display and then install it permanently. Thanks for joining, guys. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them down below. And this Garmin Edge 1030 is good to go. So thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.